Good morning, everybody. Merry Vlogmas day 23. Woo! We are so close. Christmas is so soon. I am very, very excited. Great things are going to happen today. It is 9:42 a.m. and I go to work at 9:45 today, and then I'm off at 5 p.m. RIP to me, but I'm so happy I rushed over here and I had time to get myself some hot chocolate. If you haven't had hot chocolate from 7-Eleven, you should definitely try it. It is so good. I've loved their hot chocolate since I was in middle school. It's amazing. I really hope I'm not getting sick. My throat like slightly hurts, just a teeny bit, so I think I can try and fight it. But I really don't want to get sick, so please, 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 hopefully I don't get sick. Ah. Okay, well, I guess I will see you after work. Hi everyone, sorry this lighting is so bad. We're just using this car light. But I got off work like 30 minutes ago and I'm waiting for my mom. I'm actually going to this Christmassy event at a winery with my mom, Thomas's mom, and possibly Thomas's sister. And we did this last year. We just kind of celebrate Christmas, I guess, together. So that should be fun. Okay, so my mom and Thomas are gonna be here very soon. And I haven't had a dance party in what feels like a million years. So we're gonna have a car dance party. If you drive, comment below and let me know if you love singing in the car while you drive, because I sure do. I turn on my radio and I'm like, ooh, 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 ooh. I love it.
You know the love is blind. I'm about to see. I close my eyes, they can see you in it all. Most of them.
Really? Somebody, Thomas is calling me. Hello? Thomas kind of interrupted the dance party. My apologies. He's here now.
What dance party?
Ow!
Now again.
This is my favorite song.
I'm in a click, but I want out. It's not the same as when I was punched in the old days. There wasn't enough. The card games and ease with the bitter soul of blood. Be a part of the love club. Everything will glow for you.
We have a special guest here today, my dad. And we're gonna play the Bean Boozled Challenge. Okay, we're gonna start with this one. This is barf or peach. I'll give you one. Wait, wait. Okay, I have one. Okay, ready? Yeah. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Ah!
It's like clams. Cool. Muscles.
You ate it?
Lip muscles.
That wasn't peach. And you ate it?
It's gone.
Ugh. Next one. Blue.
Eat it first, then read what it is.
Toothpaste or berry blue? Because I'm not going to eat it enough to...
That's the whole... Why don't you eat it first and then read what it is? Berry
blue. Oh, what'd you get?
Toothpaste.
Oh, thank God.
So they're all mixed. One of them's nasty and one of them isn't?
Oh, this one is canned dog food or chocolate pudding. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Did you get it?
Dog food? He's used to eating that sometimes.
You got chocolate.
Did you actually?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do this pink one. Here. Oh, I think this is Stinky Socks or Tutti Frutti. 1, 2, 3. Mmm. Why do you have no emotion? What did you get?
Sure.
Tutti Frutti tastes like bubble gum, so if yours doesn't taste like that.
It doesn't taste like socks because I don't know what that would taste like.
What do you want to do? Spoiled milk or coconut, dead fish or strawberry banana smoothie?
Spoiled milk. I'm used to that.
I'm not gonna face my dad. Okay, wait. I need one. Here it is. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Do it again. We'll spit it out so quick. Get into it. You eat it. It just takes like 1 bite and spits it out. You take like 2 bites.
What do you eat it?
Oh, you did.
Did you get coconut?
I did the one where it made you like
coconut.
That's so gross. You didn't get enough bad ones.
Coconut.
Wait, Dad, can you just try this?
What is it?
Butter.
No.
What is it?
It might be dead fish or strawberry banana smoothie.
I had them both.
The strawberry.
It tastes like wood. Wet wood. Like when you eat a lollipop and you have the wood and you try to eat the wood too.
Okay. Thank you for doing this, Dad. I didn't get enough bad ones.
Goodbye.
We got moldy cheese or caramel corn. And then we have lawn clippings or lime.
Just give me.
Or rotten egg.
Why
Or you want to just do it?
Just like, I'd rather be
Okay.
surprised.
Here's this yellow spotty one. I don't really want to do this anymore because I got bad ones.
Oh my god, it's just like mashed potatoes. Oh my god, why does it taste like mashed potatoes?
I think I was supposed to be moldy cheese or caramel corn.
It tastes like mashed potatoes, I swear to god.
This is my cousin Ivan, by the way. You've seen him in Vlogmas before. Bright green one. You don't want me to tell you what it...
Let me eat it first and then you tell me what it is. I'll try and guess what it is.
Okay.
Tastes like kiwis.
Kiwis.
It tastes fruity. What is it supposed to be?
Lawn clippings or lime.
Oh, okay. Maybe lime.
Okay, the next one is, show them, it's spotty green.
Thank god.
You got, what is it?
It tastes like peaches.
Pear. Okay, try this one. Wait, yeah.
It doesn't taste bad. It tastes like strawberries.
Is it like obviously a good one? Damn it, we can't stop until he gets a bad one.
They're all gonna be good.
This
I already know it.
Oh shoot, a bunch just fell. Yes! Canned dog food.
That's fucking nasty.
Ew, I smell it!
You smell-
Okay, everybody, I'm going to end Vlogmas Day 23 here. I know I'm filming this part the day after, but, you know, things happen. I was busy, and I didn't finish vlogging, so I did it now, and I'm about to edit and post it for you. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Comment down below. Great things are going to happen tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.